Hey everyone, this is Alex from Finmo. This is our release video for February 2020. This is our first release of the month. So I'm just going to go over some of the new functionality that's going to be added to Finmo that you'll be seeing shortly. First thing you might notice is that there's a new e-sign column in the table view. E-signing lets you send documents to borrowers that need to be signed and returned. So I'll quickly demonstrate how that works. This is quite a large feature, so I'm actually going to, in the details of this video or in the email, if you receive this via email, I'm going to link to a couple other videos that go into e-signing in more detail. But I'll just show you quickly how it works here. So let's create an e-signing request. We got to drag and drop a file to e-sign. So we'll just upload this example here. Okay. So let's just pretend this is a real thing. We got our borrower selected here, and we want them to sign this field. We just drop that where we want them to sign. Let's change it to a capture signature type, so they actually have to draw their signature in the box. And let's send this to the borrower. Okay, perfect. So that's emailed off to the borrower. You can see that I've received an email which will allow me to e-sign the documents. If I click this, it'll open up a place where I can sign it. So I could click and sign that, but also alternatively, if the borrower is in the portal, they can go to the documents section and simply sign it there as well. So this is the same place where they are already uploading all their documents and everything. So it keeps it all in one place for the borrower, makes it nice and easy. All right, so we'll go in here and we will sign this. We go signature. Beautiful. All right. And that's that. After you've signed all the fields, we only did one for an example, but you sign them all, then you click OK. And it's going to fire that back to us. You can see it's been accepted here for the borrower as well. We also see that it has now been signed. We can download the document. We can take a look at that, and we can see that it has signature right on it. You might be wondering what that text behind it is. That's just a timestamp of exactly when it was signed as well, just to give it some legitimacy. All right, perfect. So that's how e-signatures work. All right, this next feature was added by popular request, and the request was for a print button. So if you scroll to the top of your application, you'll see download or print for compliance. If you click that, you'll get an unstyled version of the application to print off. And that's pretty much how that works. All right, so next up, if we scroll to the bottom of the application, we'll see that there's a new section here called subject property. And we have this accordion here, and we can open this accordion, and this is where we would enter all of the details for our subject property. And all of these, of course, will push right to expert, no problem. Speaking of expert, we've actually also optimized our push to expert. So pushes to expert should now take under 1 second. Before there used to sometimes be a delay of up to a minute or two. Now pushing to expert should be almost instantaneous. So we've updated that a little bit as well. So I think that's pretty much everything for this video. We did some other things, like we added a timestamp in the activity feed for when a deal has been pushed to expert. And we fixed a few small bugs, but nothing super exciting. So I'll probably catch you in a couple weeks for our next release. And yeah, have a great day.